to global identity. Not only astonishing changes
To explain the significance of the Niroshan Memorial Award.
Lotus feet of our beloved Bhagavan. Revered elders, my dear brothers and sisters, a very loving Sairam to all of you. Swami's directions are very simple. He says that there are two paths to reach God: service and character development, which will ultimately pave way to the spiritual path in reaching God. This is the very reason he said that service to man is service to God, and he also stated that when character is lost, everything is lost. The Bal Vikas is built around this divine direction and looks at molding and modifying the character of a child by inculcating human values such as truth, right conduct, love, peace, and non-violence through Sai spiritual education. We are indeed very proud to say that we have had, having, and will always have a very successful outcome in producing these Sai superheroes who will very proudly take forward Swami's mission to the rest of the world with the Swami's grace. In this list of heroes, we have a very special name, a name that no one can forget. A role model to the Balvika students, including myself. It's none other than our dear Niroshan Anna. Bhagavan says, you can proclaim to be a devotee only when you have placed yourself completely in the hands with no trace of ego. Niroshan Anna was an ardent devotee of Swami who completely surrendered his life with no trace of ego. A true Balvika student, a spiritual seeker, always pleasant, kind, and adorable to all at all times. But however, unfortunately not with us anymore, but with our Divine Mother side. For attractive lips, speak words of kindness. For lovely eyes, seek the good in others. For a healthy body, share your food with the hungry. For poise, walk with the knowledge that God is always within you. That was his strategy. His greatness was measured by his kindness, and his education and intellect by his modesty. He was known for his talents, may it be his elevating bhajan singing, drama, instrumental recitals, art, and public speaking. Among the various projects he initiated, the important ones were the Nutrition Project and the Cancer Hospice Project. Being a MBBS student, he also actively engaged in Narayana Seva, medical camps, and blood donation camps. Hence, it is only right to name a very special award after him to identify a superhero from the Balvika stream. The message is loud and clear that this award is not given based on academic skills. This award focuses and closely examines the character of the child, the dedication he or she has towards Swami, the effort he or she puts in terms of service activities, the picture they have portrayed through their righteous behavior, and above all by identifying whether he or she is a true spiritual seeker. Now, we wish to invite Dr. Srideva, accompanied by Brother Yogaraja, Chairman, Colombo Samiti, and Dr. Jagannathan, Central Coordinator, Sri Lanka and Maldives, to the stage to present the Niroshan Memorial Award. And this year's award goes to Kaushalyan Marimuthu. Thank you, Sairam.